Viewers, welcome to another edition of the latest news of war affairs. Viewers, breaking news: a lot of Oromos were massacred in Kerayu district. In the western Shiva region, the Oromo people from Kerayu tribe are reported that 22 people were killed today, while many people were arrested according to the news. One of them is a man named Hassan Hawas Boru, who is part of Higa, in which Oromo culture is known for the youth, and the killing of a lot of youth is this. They were killed after the government called for their participation in the war. They were accused of being related to Oromo Liberation Army, but apparently they are based on politics. The Kerayu tribe is the most common clan in Addis Ababa city that resides up to the border of Anfar and Somalis. We were the ethnic groups under the colonialism of Ethiopia before Somali. Everyone can defend themselves and they arm themselves, but Somalis are not allowed to prepare themselves and make decisions. There is a guardian of the administration that Abiy is not willing to keep him as long as he gets. Every administration that colonialism represented in the Somali region becomes an obstacle to the Somali people, and it is the biggest problem that is facing the struggle. On the other hand, the plan of the Tigray Defense Force Army in the coming days. Number one, the place or opening of the Prime Minister of the country, Dr. Abiy Ahmed, is fighting against the Tigray Defense Force Army that has been fighting the most is coming to the new plan that was given to Abiy Ahmed should bring death and life to one. And viewers, number two, arrangement of Awash city. What is with the reason of Awash? To put the bridge in hand, many prisoners who were born from Tigray ethnic group are jailed. Question: what is the way Awash is held and where is it brought to? An answer: there is a road that connects Awash town and Desi town. Example: when you get out of Desi city, you enter Ati city, then Awash, then Ati. City is in the hands of Tigray Defense Force Army. And number three, the capturing of Debrecen city, which is the headquarters of the Ethiopian Air Force, is also planning the Tigray Defense Forces to quickly capture the aim of the Tigray Air Force in the last days. They found modern airplanes and drones in Turkey and China. The Tigray also admits that they are the army, the sky is heavy on them, so holding the Debrecen to sacrifice their life and wealth is their real decision. Viewers, which way is it done? The Tigray Defense Force Army that is taking over Debrecen city will go straight to Awash bridge and will go to Adhama town, the capital city of Oromia region, while they are getting support from Oromo Liberation Army. And it was number 4, the capturing of the capital city of Addis Ababa that does not need any explanation because everyone is satisfied with the information of Addis Ababa and Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Army. The state place political prisoners, etc., and so on. If they are defending themselves, there is your game and there is your stadium. And viewers, drop your thoughts below. And viewers, in previous video I already informed you that about Shawa Robit. It has been announced that electricity service has started in Shawa Robit city. The Ethiopian Electric Service announced that the city of Shawa Robit has been free yesterday due to the high pressure to restore the cities that had electricity cut off due to the war. In addition, Debre Birhan district director has stated that the rural city is called Armenia. Fechu and Cheira Mida around Debrecina are going to get electricity today. The director added that the power is being built to the cities where the electricity is cut off and other cities are being cut off. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.